Hello everyone and welcome to another easy way video where I'm going to teach you how to make a camera like doors in 1 minute. So the first thing you have to do is to go here to the Explorer and find the started player, and here in the started character script you have to press this and you have to create a new local script. Okay, so this script is going to be named walk effect. So inside of this local script you have to write the code that I give you in the comments. It's fixed so you can find it, and you have to write it right here, and then you have to create another local script here in starter character scripts. So you create it and you have to find the next code that I gave you on the description. The name of this script is going to be sway effect. You paste the code here, and finally you have to go to starter player scripts and create another local script. I will provide you the next code. You have to paste here and change the name to this script as first person body. So now you can play your game here. You press the play button, and as you can see I'm actually running like doors game. So if this video was useful for you, please comment, share, like, subscribe, and see you in another easy way video. Goodbye.